Well, it is Sunday. We're at another Taco Bell. At least they put a ladder there for me. Let me get up there. We got an exhaust fan issue. Smokey in the kitchen. Just put this rooftop up here. That was a fiasco. Oh, look. Shit you find on roofs. Open this door. Get up here. Oh, look. Freaking door. What the fuck is going on? All these are unlatched. Someone was up here doing filters. Didn't take them down. There's the filter bar right there. It's not why we're out here though. Messing filters. Bottom filter bar. Oh, people. This one isn't latched. Jeez and Pete's. Oh, I can hear a motor. Motor's running. Let's see what we got. L250. Guess what? I only got one on my truck. I got a 4L270. That's it. I ran out of exhaust fan belts. Gonna have to give her an adjustment. That's it. That's all we're gonna have to do. Because I do not have what we need, and it's a Sunday. Gotta do what you gotta do. We'll just give her a quick adjustment. That's all I've been showing you guys is freaking exhaust fan videos. It's insane. Throwing my back out on that one. Jeez, oh, jeez. A little warm. Oh, she don't want to move. She don't want to move. All right, let me pry this over. Let's see. I'm gonna pry it over. Looks like it's been moved quite a few times. heck am I going to pry this over? There we go. Oh, she's all the way over and she's still not having it. Still not tight. Uh-oh. Well, we'll just adjust the pulley up. We'll have to get back out here on Monday. Get the right belt. This is going to have to work for now. This will work okay for a Sunday. Okay for Sunday. Give it a little pulley adjustment. I think. Hold on. Looks like the pulley's on ass backwards. He's the right one. Make her go a little faster if I can change it. Gotta do what you gotta do in a pinch. Pulley's got a big old groove in it, so I'm gonna end up actually changing the pulley. And do I have my tape measure? No, I don't. Stinky tacos. Gotta find the flat spot. Trying to find the flat spot. Now I'll tighten it up a little more. Better than what they had. That'll work for today. Well, let me go get my tape measure. I'm going to measure that pulley out. We're going to change that. Plus, it probably needs to be greased. Is that other one grooved too? It's just got a good polish on it. This other one is grooved. It's got a big old groove in it. So we're gonna replace this. We'll get a belt for it too, because it's adjusted all the way out. We need to adjust it back. Tape measure up here. Let me go grab a tape measure. Okay. So, we got to measure shaft. Oh, look, it says it right on there, 7/8 shaft. I think it's a 7/8 shaft. I think that's a 4. So I think it's a 4-inch. I think it's a 4-inch. Yeah. Actually, no. Yeah. It's like 4 3/4, but no, it's 3 3/4. It's a 4-inch. It's like 3 3/4 or 3 7/8. So we will get what, an A20 4L250. 4L250. Right there. There we go. And then this, I gotta get some filters for. I think I need right here, I need 4 16x20x2s for the top row. I don't know who did this. Lazy people. Lazy people. Normally you could just pull them up. time I see that, I like cleaning it out. Well, this is the next day, and I'm just driving, and I'm like, oh, I forgot to do a follow-up on this Taco Bell one I was on. But basically, nothing to that one. That was an after-hours Sunday call, on call. Still doing on call, and I think they tried calling Saturday, but they didn't leave a message. And then Sunday, the guy finally left the message because I seen the number on the Saturday caller ID. So, simple fix. I'm actually going to go back with the right size belt or a smaller belt, adjust that motor back, and put a motor pulley on it. That one's polished and ridged, you know. It's just, it's not terrible, but I mean, I might as well replace it while I'm up there. So I mean, that's all that's going to happen with that one. It just sucks. It was on a Sunday. You know, I had a few calls on Sunday. Not a big deal. Just on call stuff. And that's it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Venmo, the Zelle, for my son's cancer. Whoa. We're trying to get through this. And it's been tough. It really has. Very tiring. So like, subscribe, comments, concerns down in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one.